Okay, so we are at the Gardens of Ball with the Wave Ambassadors, and we are going to be asking them all the million-dollar question: do you cut your petunias or do you not cut your petunias? We are here with Pam from Sunshine Ladies Garden, and we are asking her the question of the day: do you or do you not cut your petunias?
Yes, I cut my petunias.
Okay, and any tips on when you should cut your petunias?
Actually, yes, I cut my petunias after I buy them. When I come back from the garden center, I give them a quick cut because they're kind of leggy once you buy them at the garden center.
Perfect. I'm here with Katie and Matt from Suburban Gardening Couple, and we are asking them the question of the day: do you or do you not cut your petunias?
Yep.
Yes. Okay. And any tips as to why or when?
They start to get tired and leggy, so usually we cut them back like mid to end of June.
Good to know.
Refresh.
Yep. And we also get some bug damage that we have to deal with in our area, and so it just refreshes everything as well.
So cut them back when you get the bug damage.
Yep.
Awesome. Perfect. Thank you. Yeah. We are with Kayla from Gardening with Bulldogs, and we are asking her the question: do you or do you not cut your petunias?
No, I do not cut them.
No? Okay. Is there a reason why?
Well, to be honest, I'm in the landscaping, so a lot of times my July and August, I am just barely getting by. Like,
Gotcha.
I go to work, I do landscaping, I come home, and all I'm just
they're
worried
gone.
about, I'm concerned with them being watered.
Got it. So just make sure they're getting watered.
100%.
If you're a busy gardener, don't worry about cutting.
Yes.
Just make sure they're getting watered.
Yep.
We are with Miranda and Michael from Guimond Gardens, and we are asking them the question: do you or do you not cut your petunias?
Yeah, but it's our first year.
Yeah, we planted a lot of petunias in our roundabout for the first time after our project, and they're massive. And so they're taking over the boxwoods that we put there too. So I trimmed them up to make sure we didn't encroach on them, and then they just keep on flowing on the other side. So it's working out well.
So first year, we're going to see how they go. Maybe you need to follow along to see how their petunias work this year after cutting them back.
Yes.
We are with Avery, and she has the best blooming petunias, and we are asking her: do you or do you not cut your petunias?
We do.
You do? Okay. And is there a reason behind that?
It makes them branch, so they get more blooms.
Okay. And certain time of the season that you do that?
I do mine about midseason. So in Utah, that's about July.
Awesome.
I'll give a really good haircut.
Okay. So July's big cut.
I'm about 5 feet.
5 feet.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Good to know. We are with Carol from Wexford Lane, and we are asking: do you or do you not cut your petunias?
I do not, because I really like the way their trailing habit, and I do a lot of container gardening, and I like the way they fall over the edges of the container.
So just let them get full.
Let them go.
Wild and awesome. Okay, so you don't have to cut your petunias. Perfect. We are with Judy from New England Home Garden, and we are asking her: do you or do you not cut your petunias?
Yes.
Okay, and any tips or time frames that you do that?
I do them after the first bloom,
Okay.
and as the trailers get really long, I cut them back so that more trailers will come out
Okay.
and make it full.
Okay. So cut it back for more full. Awesome. Thank you. We are with Kilby from Kilbs in the Yard, and we are asking him: do you or do you not trim your petunias?
No, I do not.
Okay. Any particular reason why?
I have too many to do.
Okay. So just give them lots of water, lots of fertilizer.
Yeah.
Gotcha. We're with Iana from Iana Plants, and we are asking her: do you or do you not cut your petunias?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And why do you cut them, or when do you cut them?
So we are in Georgia, so we have a long growing season, and sometimes the petunias can get leggy. So I'm able to cut mine back about July, and then I'll get another flush of fresh flowers.
Awesome.
Yes.
Good to know. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We are here with Thomas from By Thomas George, and we are asking him the question: do you or do you not cut your petunias?
I do not.
Interesting. Okay. And why do you not?
I feel like my growing season isn't long enough that they need a rebound, and if I keep them on their weekly fertilizer schedule, they seem to do okay. They don't get as leggy.
So fertilizer overcutting. And what's your growing zone?
I'm a 6 feet.
6 feet. Mm-hmm. So don't cut, just fertilize in 6 feet. Great. We are with Katie from Wave, the expert herself of petunias, and she is speaking on behalf of all of the experts at Wave. Do we or do we not chop our petunias?
We do. Actually, here in West Chicago in our gardens, we trim to the rim, probably a very specific time around 4th of July, so that they boom in about 2 more weeks. You get extra flowers.
There you go. We got to chop our petunias.